Hey guys, this is Iggy back again with Dragonblogger. Just showing you how typing is with the Perixx PX5200-BR mechanical gaming backlit keyboard using the cherry brown MX switches. I'm showing you with the 10fastfingers.com. So let's get started. All right, actually a little bit better than I had in my last review, 71 versus 67. So pretty cool. Again, this is Iggy with Dragonblogger showing you how the Perixx PX 5200-BR mechanical gaming backlit keyboard works on testfatfingers.com, and again using the Cherry MX Brown switches. All right, see you guys later.